Gusii's, wherever that you are watching us from and you're a Gusii, we're talking about having a party. For so long, we've been relying on these parties from Luo, that is like ODM. We've had Jubilee from the central part of Kenya, but we as Nyamirans and Gusiis, the Gusii community, we have never thought of doing something like that. But we have some of these leaders who have been championing. We have heard of the governor, Amos Nyaribo, actually, who is the head of the UPA party. He has been advocating for this party from the word, let's do this. Actually, the first time I came to know about Amos Nyaribo, that was 2023, earlier last year. The very first speech, he talked about the Gusii people community coming together. Because he said, we have a lot of monies up there in the government. We have a lot of positions. We have a lot of everything. Mana is up there, but there's no one actually who is going to fish out these. There's no person who is going to cash cow all these monies in the air without us getting united. So we have Governor Nyaribo as the head, as the, the chairperson of this party, UPA. What does UPA stand for? U, United, P, Progressive, A, Alliance? I believe like so. All the Gusii people, all my community people, we are talking about having a representation. We are talking about having a place where we all belong. A good heaven on earth. We are talking about UPA party. UPA party. Why is UPA party likely? Why is UPA party the most likely party where all the Gusii people, all the Gusii leaders are going to belong? We have the reasons here. UPA party is already existing. Why should leaders from Gusii, from Nyamira, again unite to come up with a party? It don't make sense. It doesn't. All right. Who is the leader in this UPA party? Governor His Excellency Governor Amos Nyaribo is the owner, is like the chairperson of this party. So another reason why the Gusii people should not go for any other party, then consider this one. Because it's already working. Who are these members in this party? We have the majority MCAs in Nyamira County Assembly belonging to UPA party. Majority. One good sign. I think we have a member, an MP from Gusii, Bonchari, Honorable Charles Onchoke, is a UPA party member. Elected member of parliament. The Governor Nyamira County is a good friend of Fred Matiangi'I, and Fred Matiangi'I will actually advocate for this party. All right. Now we saw a group of Gusii leaders, and some of those MPs were elected out of Nyamira and Gusii. They actually met